Hey there, and welcome to episode 3 of the Spatial Audio Workflow series. In episode 1, we discussed preparation. Episode 2, we did the audio document and recording plan. And now, as you can see, we're out in the field. We're going to do some Ambisonic Field Recording in a nice forest here. So I'll quickly set up my rig. I'll show you how. And after that, we do some recordings. So let's get started. All of my equipment fits into the Low Pro Flipside Track BP450 backpack, and our base is the ultra lightweight Seri carbon tripod. We have the Rycote PCS boom connectors, simplifying setup and mic swapping. And we use the Sound Devices Mixpre6 mkII recorder, running on an Anker power bank. And the heart of our setup, the Sennheiser AMBEO Ambisonic mic, hanging in the Sennheiser windshield. Also check out my YouTube shorts where I reveal how this mic is hanging in the Sennheiser. Also make sure that your cable is hanging loose, and with some wind it can bounce against the tripod. Now that's the sound we don't want to have in our recordings. So what I have here, also to wind up the cables, is Velcro, and I tighten it to the tripod. You can also use tape, of course. Now, easy as that. Now let's do some recording. First on our setup list is formatting the SD card on the MixPre. It's simple. Just head to the system menu, select SD card and hit format. This gives us enough recording space. Next, let's set the sample rate. We want the highest quality fitting with this mic, so go to the project settings and select the sample rate of 96 kHz. Also choose a bit depth of 32-bit. It's a bit overkill, but eliminates any worries about clipping. Time to manually link channels 1 to 4. Click the first rotary knob and under the inputs menu, select linking and choose channels 1 to 4. Now, let's monitor our setup. You could use the Ambisonic plugin for a 360 binaural sonic perspective. Don't forget to reload the preset in that case. Adjust the gain depending on your environment. Aim for the highest gain without clipping or raising the noise floor. And don't forget to push that record button. Besides the right equipment, bring also extra SD cards, batteries and gaffer tape. Choose the right time and location. Background noise can make or break your recording. Choose a time and place with minimal noise. Choose the right mic placement, preferably at ear height and not too close to reflecting objects. Load your Ambisonic preset and double check your settings, like sample rate, bit depth, linking and gain. Don't forget to push that record button. Field recording is an art, and like any art, it demands practice and understanding. So that's it. I'm going to quickly wrap up my rig, and then let's go to the studio. And there you have it. We've covered some essential aspects of Ambisonic Field Recording today, from setting up your recorder, formatting the SD card, to adjusting the gain and pressing that record button. But remember, this journey has just begun. Our next episode is all about encoding and editing our recordings. We'll dive into the world of post-production, polishing those raw sounds to make them truly come alive. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. It's going to be an exciting deep dive into the technicalities of shaping your sounds, creating an immersive audio experience. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to get notified, and let's continue this audio adventure together. And if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to follow me on YouTube for more tutorials, tips, and tricks in the world of immersive sound recording. Until next time, keep exploring, keep recording, and let the world hear your unique sounds. See you in the next one.